Welcome. This is David King. Today we're going to be exploring our attention and awareness. We will be completely present, and we're going to find out what happens with this exploration inward. Our attention and awareness is what we can use to take control and explore the rest of the 99% of our existence that most people never get to explore. So join me. Get comfortable, sit up, eyes closed, and when I say let's take a deep breath, I want you to very gently inhale for 5 seconds and exhale gently for 5 seconds. So, let's start with a deep breath. We're going to take 5 gentle deep breaths with 5-second inhale and a 5-second exhale. Here we go. Let's take a breath. Four more. 3 more. 2 more. 'And last breath. Now, can you pay attention to the space in your chest where your beautiful heart lives? Can you give it your attention? Gently, with your eyes closed, paying attention to only your beautiful heart. Where we place our attention, we direct energy. So, stay present. Keep giving your heart energy. If you have any thoughts that come up, any feelings that distract you, just let them pass by. Just let them pass by. You may notice them in your periphery, but gently keep your attention on your heart. How does it feel? Pay attention to any sensations that come up when you're focused on your heart. Stay present. Stay with me. Now, let's bring your awareness to the empty space around your head, on both sides of your ears. Can you feel the energy? Can you give it attention? How does it feel to put your awareness and focus on the empty space around your head? Space that is full of energy, frequency, information. What do you feel? Pay attention to how it feels. Stay focused on the empty space all around you. Stay present. Notice how it feels the more you pay attention to the emptiness around you and less attention to yourself. Notice any changes in sensations and feelings that arise. Keep your attention on the emptiness in this present moment. Stay present. Keep your attention on the empty space around you. Now, can you focus your attention on number 7 energy center, right at the top of your head, your 7th chakra? Can you focus your attention on the top of your head? If it's difficult, picture an apple sitting on the top of your head. Feel the weight of it on the top, middle part of your skull. Can you pay attention to it? Can you feel the tingles? Any sensation that arises? Stay present with it. Stay with me. What do you feel? What sensations are coming up? With you focused on 7. Now, can you focus on your heart, number 4, and number 7 at the same time? Can you focus on your heart and the top of your head? And allow your heart and your brain to synchronize and harmonize in this present moment. Stay present. Notice any sensations that come up as your heart and your brain synchronizes and harmonizes their energy. Now, as you focus and keep your awareness on your heart and your brain, your number 7, I want you to gently exhale. And I want you to very gently pull your stomach in. Inhale in your lungs all the way and hold it. And I want you to squeeze your first chakra, your perineum, and hold everything tight for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently exhale. Keep your awareness on your heart, 4 and 7, heart and your brain. We're going to do another inhale, and we're going to hold everything tight. So gently exhale. Pull your stomach in. And as you breathe in, you squeeze your perineum, your number 1. And you hold your breath, hold your stomach tight and your back. And you stay focused. You stay focused on your 7, and you hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. present. Bring your attention back. Come back to me. Gently move your head. Feel your wrists. Feel your neck moving. Be satisfied with what you just did, what you experienced, your efforts. I am proud of you. I will see you later. Thank you.